Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Whitney, and be sure to click that subscribe button so you never miss another video. And if you're a returning viewer, hello, welcome back. So today we're going to be talking about when flow comes, and that can either be 3 days to a week. And if you're one of those people who can get it for 3 days, I hate you.
Just kidding.
No, but seriously, for most people it lasts like 5 to 7 days. Some people do just get it for 3 days and they're good. Now I know about periods, it can be a little bit awkward to talk about to like a parent, or if you don't have like a woman figure in your life or someone to talk to, you roam the internet and you find videos. So I hope this can help some of yous, and yeah, let's just move on to these hacks because we're all women and we're all gonna get our period. So this is just some things that can make it a little bit easier because we all know it sucks. So the first tip is to use a chart or calendar. This will help a lot. I used to use it a lot when I first got it because I always wanted to know when it was gonna happen, but I don't really anymore, but I might because I always want to know when she's gonna arrive. But yeah, so you can use an app. Just type in period tracker and you'll get a ton of apps that you can get. Just download it, it'll mark down your period. Just click in when you get it and when it ends, and you can also like put in like your cravings, your moody, your acne, your flow, whatever. Or you can just use a calendar, just mark it down and then just count out 28 to like 35 days of when your range of when it's gonna come. Number 2 is to drink water. I know you're supposed to drink water daily, but on your period it's mostly important to stay hydrated because it helps with bloating. And if it is hard for you to drink water, just add a ton of ice cubes to make it very cold. That helps me. Or you can add some fruit to make it more tasty. For 3, go to Walmart or Target and buy some cheap period panties. Underwear you wear when you're on your period because you don't want to risk you ruining one of your good pairs. So it's always good. I prefer to get like a black color because it's not as easy to see if you do leak through. So yeah. Number 4. If you don't have a pad or a tampon and the bathroom doesn't like have one of those machines that you can buy one, or you don't have anyone who will let you borrow one, or they don't have one either, what you can do is get some toilet paper, wrap it a few times and just stick it in your underwear, and then you have your own little pad until you can go home or go to the store and get one for yourself. 5, like I said, your period can be embarrassing, so you can hide it when you want to go change it because you're supposed to change, I think a pad is like 2 to 3 hours and a tampon is like 4 to 6 hours. So when it's time to change a little disgusting self, you can hide your tampon and pad in your sleeve, in your bra, or on your on your waistline. Just tuck it in and just go to the bathroom, do your business, and you're all good. And if you're worried about like the sound of a pad, just cut it or open it before you leave and you don't have to worry about the sound of the pad opening. So yeah. Number 6, everyone has an odor. People might say that other people can't smell it, but if you leave it too long, I'm sure people are going to start smelling it. So what I recommend is to shower in the morning, because just think about it, you're sleeping all through the night, all 8 hours, what you're supposed to be, and you wake up and you are sitting in a puddle of blood. So To feel fresh in the morning, get up, shower right when you wake up, go shower when you wake up, clean all down there, nice and good, and then put on a new tampon and pad, and you're good to go with the rest of your day, feeling nice and fresh. And now the last thing, cramps. Some hit harder than other people do, but for me, cramps are a sucks. So everyone says have a heating pad. Well, some people might not have a heating pad, or some people might have back pain too, so they might need to use a heating pad on their back. So what you can use is, a lot of people like to binge watch like Netflix or anything on the computer or YouTube. So the bottom of your computer is hot. So just place that on your stomach and you're good to go. Also, what you can do is get a sock, a pillowcase, or whatever, fill it up with rice, tie it, put it in the microwave for like, I don't know, a minute, place it on your stomach, and you're good to go again. And also, if you have a little furry friend, a dog, a cat, just have them snuggle with you and their body heat will do the trick. So yeah, that is all the tips and hacks I have for this video. I know it's not a great time, and I feel for you guys who are on your period right now, because it's not fun. So yeah, I hope this helps any of you, and yeah, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe, and yeah, have a happy period. I mean, I know it's not gonna be, but try doing this stuff and maybe, just maybe. Bye guys.